Welcome to Tri-City Mitsubishi, home of many high-end cars. And today's video allow me to present you this Mercedes-Benz E53 AMG. It has so many nice packages. It's very nice car, one owner, local BC. We're gonna check out exterior, interior, take it out for a test drive, and we'll see what it's all about. This Mercedes-Benz AMG 53 is truly uniquely spec'd and well optioned. Beautiful interior, special steering wheel, part of the package that we're gonna talk about in a bit. But if it comes to packages, it has Premium Package, Night Package, Driver Assistance Package, AMG Drivers Package, AMG Dynamic Plus Package, Exterior, AMG Sport Package, Light Package, Mirror Package, and there's a lot of individually selected options as well. So let's check out all of them. Gorgeous interior. All starts with the door design. We have so many ways, adjustable seats, 3 memory positions. The front seats are both cooled and heated. So cooled seats obviously is almost everyone's favorite summer options. These seats, by the way, also are massage seats, so that's individually selected option. Burmeister upgraded sound system. Of course, you gotta have a good sound system in the Mercedes-Benz. This one here is the AMG steering wheel, so it looks different, it feels different, and it's truly spectacular work of art the way it looks and feels. Now, of course, we have the dual screens here and everything, main driver screen, secondary screen, and Mercedes-Benz does an excellent job designing everything and giving you the feel of high-end vehicle. We have nice ambient light. It's too bright outside right now, we can't really see it, but we can see it shine through. When it comes to ambient lights, there's nobody who does it better than Mercedes-Benz, so definitely excellent job on that. Nice cup holders hiding right here. For design purposes, if you want to hide them, then it gives you this nice solid feel of unified design right there. Of course, we have some buttons here. The cool one with AMG, we have this button with exhaust, so the second we press it, we can see how the exhaust and engine sound changes as well. So it goes from just a sleeper car to proper exhaust sound. And here, of course, we have a little bit storage compartment that divides in two like that when it opens up, and we can put our valuables here and store them like this. Beautiful overall design, very comfy seats, and of course they're massaged, cooled. What more you can ask? As I mentioned before, it has a ton of selected packages, and let's talk about first of all the premium package. So part of the premium package, you'll have Burmeister upgraded sound system, then you have the Parktronic with active park assist and rear cross traffic alert and surround sound system. Very good package. Let's get to the next one. Then we have the AMG Drivers Package, and there's many options in that, but most notable ones are the AMG Performance steering wheel. So this steering wheel I was talking about, it's part of the AMG Drivers Package. You also have 20-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. And this one also includes the AMG Performance Exhaust System and noise-reduced full foam-filled-in tires. So then essentially the vehicle is going to be a lot quieter on the road. The driver assistant package is pretty much a ton of safety features. You have the brake assist with cross traffic alert, you have speed limit assist, active lane change assist, and then automatic speed takeover, active steering assist, and route-based speed adaptation. There's a few more in between, but this driver assistant package is gonna systems that help you drive. So AMG Night Package will have the black front splitter, rear trim strip, and the window trim and exhaust tailpipe. So that's all special with the AMG Night Package. And individual options, you have this very cool Magic Vision control. So that is the new laser type of windshield wiper spray system the Mercedes-Benz has, and instead of just squirting the water from typically those inserts from the hood, this one comes directly from the windshield wiper area and gives you a lot more precise and better clean of the windshield. And then it also has the augmented reality option, front seats with massage, and soft close doors. Beautiful engine bay, and we have nice cover with Mercedes-Benz logo and AMG badging here as well. And this one here is a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine that generates 429 horsepower. Beautiful engine, beautiful sound. That's how it's looking. Overall, visually, absolutely beautiful vehicle. We can see how the coupe is a special body shape in itself, and of course it has all the distinct Mercedes features, the headlights, nice big grille, massive Mercedes-Benz light, and of course with these special wheels that were part of the package and red calipers, we definitely know that this car means business. We have here the Turbo 4MATIC Plus badge on the side. That's how we know that this car is cool and special. And of course, as we go towards the end of the vehicle, this is where we can see that this nice coupe takes a full shape, and we're finishing off here in the rear of the vehicle with nice AMG badging, 4 exhaust pipes. Very special car. In itself, it's such a pleasure to even look at it and to drive this car. Speaking of driving the car, let's get going, check it out how it drives, and we'll experience a little bit that car together. So before we drive, we have many ways how we can set up the vehicle. Of course, the steering wheel is power, tilt, and telescopic. We also have these nice knobs right here. We can switch it like this and then just select from Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, whatever we want. And then certain, say Sport Plus and Race is going to automatically activate the exhaust as well, or we can switch that on and off manually. We have this nice pad here right as well, so we can go over and browse through this infotainment screen. Okay, let's get going, put the drive, and off we go. So again, this car has over 400 horsepower. The performance is good, and it's a 4MATIC, and you can feel that you know, power and class right away from this Mercedes-Benz. Of course, you would expect very nice solid feel from the car, and that's exactly what it delivers. Nice, solid, easy to recognize everything on the dash. And of course, when you have extra power needs, it's right there for you as well. I really like that exhaust sound, that sport exhaust. Not sure if it's quite audible in this video, but whenever you drive a little bit faster, you don't even have to like floor the vehicle. It has this, like, you know, the special exhaust sound that you can't mix it with just a regular Mercedes. So you can definitely feel that this is the AMG version of the Mercedes. Being the special steering wheel, we have the special design here, and this one here is this like Alcantara grip, and of course the steering wheel is heated as well, so it's a great winter option car as well, or for the colder days. Definitely, you know, heated steering wheel is going to be well and much appreciated. Overall, the design and how the vehicle feels and everything else is just very nice, and Mercedes-Benz is one of those cars where you kind of put two together. You have the sports aspect of it, and then you have this nice, classy, very nice look. So you can do both. You can go fast in this car, or you can go smooth and cruise around, being stuck in the traffic, and still enjoy it fully. Then it's nice and smooth. And if you want to get a little bit faster, then you can just adjust it the way you want, and off you go. Very cool graphic. I like it. Handling, cornering, of course, it's the ultimate machine, so very nice. Yeah, very nice and safe feeling. This car is also, of course, extremely nice on higher highway speeds, so then it just floats and glides on the road. Very nice design on the dash. So the dash is something that, and like, you know, these ambient lights is something that Mercedes-Benz always stands out with. And it always, even just to look at it, it's nice and pretty. Very good car indeed. If you need to back up the vehicle, of course we have lots of system assistance right there. So we have backup camera, we have 360 camera, it has a bunch of sensors and everything else. If you get closer to a car, it will also beep and notify you accordingly. So you can't really bump into anything unless you want to. So beautiful drive.